So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in chkdsk space and now the drive letter of the drive you're having a problem with. For me, it's going to be my C drive. I'm going to type in C colon. You want to type in the letter of the drive you're having a problem with and then put a colon. Then you want to put a space and type in /F space /R and then click on enter. It should now start running a scan for you. If the scan did not start running and instead it says Y or N, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. Next, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So I'm going to restart my computer, keep on watching. As the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in, and it's now going to start running this scan for you. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.